friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Lumion 10. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to show you how to import Revit model into Lumion and then render it. So let's begin. I am going to my Revit 3D here, and this is a small residence project and I want to export it to Lumion for good render. So how you can do this? First you have to install a plugin for Lumion, which I have already installed here in ribbon panel. So you have to go to your Google and you have to search Revit to Lumion Live Sync, and you can download it from Lumion websites. Download Lumion Live Sync for Revit. You will click here and then you can download whatever version you are using. Suppose for Revit 2016 and 2022 you can use Lumion 8.3 to 12, and here it is given download link Lumion Live Sync for Revit plugin. We'll just click here and you can use for your window 64-bit and language you can choose here from, and you can click here download, and you will create your Autodesk website here. I am having my already account in Autodesk, so I will type here so I will click here download, and now you can see our download has started and it is finished. Now I will click open, and after that you can click here run here, because already I have installed this product is already installed. What would you like to do? So if you will install it, here it will come to run your software, so you can easily install. After that you can restart your Revit software and it will be already located here in ribbon panel. So I am going to click this Lumion plugin here, and after this you can choose this Live Sync, and you can also export this. This is turned off because you need higher version of Lumion. So I am going to export this, export as Collada file. So I am going to click export here, and now it is export to Lumion Live Sync 3.60.540 can export to Lumion, and surface smoothing you can keep high so that your geometrical shape is it will come smooth. Otherwise if you keep low, then there will be some errors in your 3D model. And you can also, if you want to collect your Revit textures, you can put a tick mark here, collect textures and collect export nodes. After that I will click export, and you can save anywhere. I am going to save on my desktop mode, and I will name it as Residence 3D, and I will save as a Collada file. You can save it as a Collada file, and you can after that we'll use it in Lumion. And it is saving as a Collada file and it's taking time, and you can see it has finished. After that I will go to my Lumion, and now you will click here import new model, and I have saved it on desktop. You can find it here. This is the Collada file, Residence 3D. So I will click here and open it. After that you can rename your model if you want to. I will keep the same, and now it is importing in Lumion, and you can place it here anywhere, this yellow symbol, and now you will use your Q command E command, A command, A command, and you can also use your right mouse click to adjust the. I am using A command. So you have to keep practicing how to move forward, how to move backward. I have already made tutorial on this. After that, you can adjust your model height like road and width by selecting this one, and you can move up or down according to, if you want to bring this is at good ground, so I will bring it little down here. You can adjust it from this is for height adjustment. So I will come in detail in these commands in the next tutorial. So this was for today, how you can import your Revit model into Lumion and work on it. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.